Hello students, in this video we are going to solve this question on HCF or GCD. So here's a question. A milkman has 3 jars containing 57 liters, 129 liters and 177 liters of milk. A measuring can which leaves same amount of milk unmeasured in each jar after taking out different number of exactly measured milk from each jar. So what is the volume of largest such can available to us? This is the picture showing the above question. So these are the 3 jars, jar 1, jar 2, jar 3, and there is a can whose capacity is unknown to us. Now with the help of this can, we have to take out milk from each jar, and the question says that after taking out different numbers of exact measurement of milk from this can, there is few amount of milk left in each jar, and the remaining milk is unmeasured with the help of the same can, because the remaining milk is not properly filling this can. So it is filled partially with the remaining. So let's see this scenario with numbers. Now suppose that with the help of this can I am taking out n times milk from this jar, and after taking n times, there is a small amount of milk remaining in it. There is a small amount of milk remaining in it which is unmeasured. So unmeasured milk in each jar. So what is the capacity, what is the volume of that unmeasured milk here is, we don't know. Let's say x liters in this, and with the same can, if I am taking out milk from the second jar, say m times I am taking out milk from the second jar, and the remaining milk in this jar, which is unmeasured with the help of this can, is same x liters. It's according to the question. So same thing is going to happen with the third jar. Say p times I am using this can to take out milk, and after taking out p times, there is small amount of milk remaining in it. So what's the capacity, what's the volume of this remaining milk is x liters. So this says that this small amount of milk is left over in each jar, whose capacity is unmeasured. We don't know how much is remaining in each jar, because this is not capable to measure it. So maybe partial of this small part of this can is filled with the remaining milk. So this also means that if this is the unmeasured milk, what is the measured milk? How much milk is measured with the help of this can? So with the help of this can, out of 57, this x is unmeasured. So this means that 57 minus x liters is measured. Similarly here, 129x liters is measured in this second jar, and 177 minus x liters is measured in third jar. And what do I mean by measured with this can? So n times I have taken out milk from this jar. So n times the capacity of this can, let's say d liters. So n times d will be equal to 57 minus x. Similarly, m times d is equal to 129 minus x. P times d 177 minus x. This is what I mean by the measured amount of milk with the help of this can, and these are the unmeasured volume of milk. The same thing I am going to say in different manner, that this d, unknown d, divides this number divides this number, this divides this. So this statement also says that d divides this number, and d divides 129 minus x, d divides 177 minus x. Okay, so we want to find what is the maximum value of d. What is the maximum value of d? Which means that we have to find, so d divides this number, d divides this number, d divides this number. What is the maximum value of this d? Is the GCD of 57 minus x, 129 minus x, 177 minus x. Oh, by the way, GCD is HCF. Now, finding GCD of 57 minus x, it's not possible for me because there is this unknown number. How can I remove this number? This variable. I want to remove this variable, then only I am going to get the HCF of these three numbers. So I am going to use a result that if d is GCD of two numbers a and b, this implies that d divides a and d divides b. So this also implies d will divide the difference of a and b, the subtraction of a and b. So d also divides a plus b also. But the addition is not going to help me, because with addition this x is not removed. But if I take the subtraction, this x will be removed. So what I am going to use over here is this unknown volume of this can, d, is going to divide the differences of these three, all possible differences of these three integers. So d divides, now deliberately I am going to take big number minus small number. So 129 minus x minus 57 minus x, d divides 177 minus x minus 129, sorry, this is plus x, so there is a minus. If I open the bracket, this will be plus. And what else is remaining? 129 minus x minus 57, sorry, this is done. 177 minus x minus 57 plus x. So this means that d divides which three numbers? What is this? 129 minus, this is gone, 129 minus 57 is 72, 177 minus 129 is 48, this is gone, this is gone, 177 minus 57 is 120. So d divides these three numbers, 72, d divides 48, d divides 120, and I want to find the maximum value of this d satisfying this condition, which is nothing but HCF of, or GCD of, sorry, HCF of 72, 48, 120. So you can find the GCD of these three numbers. You will get the value of this is 24. Anyways, my target in this video was to explain the theory behind this, so you can work on finding out the GCDs. So that's all in this video. I hope the explanation is clear to you. Thank you, everyone.